Yeah, so hi, myself Noel Fredrick, and I have successfully completed my course in full stack from AttainU, and I am from Vivekananda batch. So it's been like 10 months we have completed, and in the last month I've got placed for one of the company as an associate full stack developer. So it is my review about AttainU, and to start with, let me say that I come from a non-coding background, and I am from the mechanical background where I was working in mechanical industry. About how did I find AttainU? AttainU is really good. The instructor, the curriculum, the environment they create is excellent for as a student, you can say. And the people who are coming from the non-coding also can easily grab the skills. Yes, it is a long term. You have to plan, and once done, if you being patient and doing all the things right, spending amount of time, whatever the classes have done, and whatever the assignments and CCs are done, there is a good learning, and of course, in the long term, you will be definitely placed. And they have their placement session as well, so everything is fine. You can easily go and look up to getting and working as a full stack developer in future. That is what I can say. And it was excellent, I can say. The teaching, the instructor, everything was fantastic. The curriculum is superb, and I can surely say, like, I'm from the non-coding background, so people who come from the non-coding background can easily pick up the skills and learn the whatever the assignments and the coding challenges are given. If done successfully, there is a good ample of what is you can see. There is a good opportunity you can create in the market, and you can easily grab a job as a full stack developer or as a one stack developer or in the field of IT. That is for sure. The placement experience, I can say we have a portal in AttainU where you can see ample of amount of opportunities. You can select whichever location you want or where you belong to from where you come, and there are many opportunities nowadays from work from home as well. So the placement assessment, the placement experience is seriously good, and and we have a lot of opportunities in a portal as well. That is what I can say. And I like to say, or in fact, I want to conclude by saying that if I come from a non-coding background and spending amount of time on completing the course and place an opportunity, so seriously, people who come from non-coding background also can easily grab an opportunity and crack interviews, and we can see the people uh, who are senior batches from us also have doing excellent, and people from students from our batches also have got good opportunities. So I would suggest you can go for tenure to pursue for full stack development. Thank you.